It took me until having my son to realise how much shite they're putting into pre-made condiments in the shop. The amount of sugar in Heinz ketchup, they should be ashamed of themselves. So let's make some ketchup. I'm not going to say it's easy because I don't know your comfort level in the kitchen, but we're chucking a few things in a pot, we're getting it on the stove, we're cooking it out, and then we have homemade ketchup. Come on. Now, starting off, you're going to get a large can of crushed tomatoes into a pot. I used a 796ml can. For fear of talking too fast, I'm just going to list all the ingredients on the page and you can just screenshot it if you fancy making this. You're going to get it onto the stove and cook it low and slow for just under an hour. And just when there's 10 minutes left, add a tablespoon of whatever vinegar you have on hand. Now, you don't have to do this, but you can push it through a strain to make it even smoother. Go on, pop the kettle on and get cooking. Slán!